And a good hello to you. Thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony. I'm here to take you through Hubbard-Windsor, Lodge number 420. Yeah, that building right there. Here in Pigeon, Michigan. We're actually having degree work. So I brought my little bag. So I may help out, do a lecture or two. We'll see. Maybe I'll need to do anything long, and maybe, who knows, maybe I'll do a couple little pieces for them. I'm here to visit this lodge, take you around a little bit, show you some of the things that make this lodge distinct. And if you're seeing this video, that means I got in. Yay. And they said it's okay for me to post this video. But come on with us, because you've just entered the Coolest Life, Masonic Edition. And as we enter the building, we've got this nice big rug. Could use a vacuum, but it's good. We're gonna go look this way here. Got a nice little sitting area here, little room that they use. Here's they got some of their past masters here on the wall. Bogart game room. Maybe they used to have a pool table in there, I never know. That's a little room, goes on to the restrooms. And then they've got, everybody's upstairs right now, getting ready for the meeting. And there's their kitchen there, we just ate. Good sized kitchen, let me show you that real quick. Good sized kitchen. I like these little windows you can serve out of. It's kind of neat. And now we're back here at the door. We're going to go right on up the stairs. They got a chairlift here. Kind of getting dark because actually the light in this hallway is stairwell's out. They'll brighten up here in a minute. There we are, signed the book to get in. Everyone's dressed all nice. And they've got a little memorabilia stuff in here. They got some seals right there. Some goggles. I like those goggles, those are cool.
This is all visitors.
That's neat. All master's hat. Hey brother, love prevail. And this would be where they would keep their aprons. Meeting. This would be your visitor aprons. And white gloves if you need them. So this is the main room here. I'm going to try to get in here really quick before they get started with some things. Right here at the senior warden's area. You can see he's got a column down. His gavel. Like that. Like that. Want that for some furniture. Different flair, huh? How about that backing? It's like a felt. That's what that is.
So we're down to 2.
It's really neat.
Yep.
There's the other chapter. These are about the size of maybe a volleyball. They're about 7 foot tall. So, and we're going to look at this back here. This looks like a sliding door. Oh, it is a sliding door. Nice pocket door there. That's awesome. I like pocket doors. I don't know exactly what this is. It's a raised level. Gosh, there's a vent. It doesn't look like it moves, but it's pretty neat. These are laid in here. They may use this for different things. We'll see if I see any.
I'll be right back.
I don't see any handles or anything like that. I don't think I've ever seen anything like that. It's just shy of 6 feet long. It's probably 5 feet.
I'll be back.
Interesting. Different seating. It's like a drop ceiling there. The same decor is matching here with these pews. Old piano in the back corner. Flag, you can see how this chair is pointed that way. Here's a good, nice ballot box. Like that, it's cushioned. Awesome, good looking box. Looks like a crochet up there. I do have a G that sits out this way. I don't see any lights or wired. Get your rough ashlar and your smooth ashlar there. Or at least working on it. I like that. It's pointed upward just like that is. Just like that is. This is all one piece here. It's not huge. We've seen some that are a little larger. It's about 5'6" inches tall. I like that gavel. Check out. Can you see that? Ah, it's almost. It's offset a little bit. It's almost. I've never seen one shaped like that before. Eastern Star, maybe. Interesting. It's a pentagon. Huh. Interesting. There's his book. His cue cards for opening, closing. He's got his Tyler sword sitting up here. They'll present that when they open. A little something they do a little different. I can talk about that because technically they're not actually officially open when they do that. They do that right before the opening. Secretary's desk. He's got a nice chime here. They're trying to. Jaques Demolay. I've never seen a Jaques Demolay bobblehead. That's awesome. I love it. I love it. This is probably a set of working tools. And it is. I saw one of these sitting downstairs too. I'm trying to somewhat hurry here. He's got his Marshall staff. Good sized Marshall staff, 18 inches long. Got a crown head on the end of it. I'm trying to hurry. His brothers are starting to file in here. He's got his column here. Got a plum on the column for the junior warden. Got a plum right there too. Plum there. Everything matches. Love it. And you got your altar here. Nice lights. With the pull chains. They don't require you to have a candle lit here. I like that altar. Let's check out this book real quick. A Holy Bible. Notice there's I don't see Masonic logos on the front of this. Boy, it's heavy. I mean, this thing is thick. It is heavy. I always like to go through just the first few pages just to see if there's anything. Old and New Testament, the original tongues, which is probably King James Version, as I don't think I've seen anything but King James Version on the in a Masonic building.
Because Charlie was going to raise Bryce.
So this is beginning. This is Genesis. So this is straight into not much else. Not Masonic teachings. A lot of times you see Masonic teachings from the beginning. In the beginning, God created heaven and the earth. Okay, so yeah, this is the King James Version. It's thick though. Boy, it's big. They've got some dividers here, which are help you open up on the correct page. Like to open it up whatever degree you're on. Open the correct page that you're on. These are engraved. I like that. That's probably the way it was. And there's your compass or your compasses, because there are two of them. Every state's a little different jurisdiction. Some say compass, some say compasses. Well, I like that set there. I don't exactly know what they use this table here for. It's a good picture there. No telling. May put a ballot box there. Some say you don't. If you do a vote, you either take the ballot box around or you set it on the altar. So this might be for a ballot box, which I would imagine they're going to do in some voting because we're actually going to have a Master Mason degree here. Nice. Before we go in, I want to show you this beautiful door. This is one door. It's a sliding pocket door. It goes from here all the way across. It's a nice door. I like it. It's neat.